Step 3 events, your satisfaction, our priority. This is a disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed on this show by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel.
Thandy, ke uzohamba njani izigwenxa zomlomo?
Yebo khuluma into engafuni ukuyizwa.
Yazi iproblem okungenza ngingazwisisani ukuthi ngiyakhangela umuntu oyihlabelileyo.
Okay. Ukuthi
Umuntu doesn't look like the guy who like ukuthi uchirise ngamthatha serious. Ube izigwenxa zomlomo. He looks like the guy.
Ubuto, let me tell you something about Ubuto. Yitype lana ekhuluma akufunayo nje.
Yes.
And
he looks like the guy who's like going to apologize eating his gwenxa zomlomo.
apologies abuya fine later but ngesikhathi sangikhona abantu ozikhulumela akufunayo nje. Sometimes kulapho ukuthi akufiki ngendlela maybe yena akubrekise khona. Sometimes kuyadlulela omunye umuntu ebesebhwaka.
But ngathi ngumuntu lana ongathi eqeda ukuthi sorry izigwenxa zomlomo man kodwa la uyabona irubbish yakho yenzayo. Thank you siyabonga. Welcome to the Fomfimfo show. Sise styleni namhlanje ngiphethe my old schoolmate, my friend Thandy Dhlana. Welcome to the Fomfimfo show.
Yini?
Fomfimfo show.
Ngiyabonga.
Yes.
Thank you for having me.
Fomfimfo show sponsored by Piri Events Solutions. We have this nice furniture.
Yeah.
It's coming from Piri Events Solutions. Hlezi comfortable. Qala ngasebenzisa isidulo guys. Isidulo.
But this is more comfy, hey?
Yeah,
This
exactly.
is proper.
Yeah, manje abantu ngafike Piri Events Solutions. Kuba mnandi.
Okay. Awesome.
Kuba lula. And then also proudly in partnership with kathi ngube very sikhiwa ngasithatha ngapha. Abanye sisebenzisana nabo iOkuhle Designs. Who do ama posters ethu nama graphics. Actually awuzazibona ngasuphuma vele kumFomfimfo show.
Okay.
Wow. And then
Remember emuhle phela it's not like ngimubi or something.
anzaye ngitsho lutho.
Hayi mina andime ngutshela.
Yes, I mean anzaye ngitsho lutho. Also in partnership with ORG Media Services, who do a superb work in terms of providing our visuals to filming us and editing us. Scotty, you're doing an awesome job. Thank you. Siyabonga. And namhlanje my special guest, she's wow. Your voice. But man, the amazing thing is when the world was saying wow to your voice, I'd already said wow.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay.
From primary school. And you've been a musician.
Yeah.
Nangwazela from primary school. You've been a musician.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
True.
So all you wanted to do was music.
There are times whereby kulezinto ezikukhethayo. Ezingameleli ukuthi wena uzikhethe.
Okay.
Like I can say the same thing for music. I think music chose me in a way. Why? Ngani ngoba there are times whereby I'm like, you know what, the music is so abusive. The music industry is so draining like that. But it's like having, yabona umuntu lona lese othandana nomuntu omabuzayo.
Okay.
Uyakuchana muhla kusasa uyabuyela. Elendundumezi ngaka. So like I think that's what music does to me.
Okay.
So music chose me kuloka ukuthi hayi vele ketile. Me and music sachata. Ring.
Okay. Music is your first husband. Yeah, lizikhulumele.
When ukhulume ngohusband music. Mina ngithe music.
Dachata.
Sile bond.
Yes.
Yabo. Even my husband he knows ukuthi me and music. Let's say if I'm creating something. Ngiyafika idea ebusuku. I have to pause yonke into engiyenzayo. Ngithathi lokho. Ebusuku phela idea iyabibuyile.
Ebusuku you have to pause. Into eyenzayo.
Lese ngiyabe ngilele. So mele ngivuke. Ngithatha ifone yami. Ngirecord voice note like on the voice recorder so that I don't.
Okay. Ukuthi ungakhohlwa yo.
Ukuthi ngakhohlwa ukuthi ibe ngithena. So that's what music does to me. I think I love music like that. Yeah.
So that's your venture. Ukungena kwakho ukuthi right sengingena ku music.
Mina ngicela utshela ngazibona sengingenile. Like ukungena uzibona usunyurile sibi like that. Ukuthi ngiexplainele ukuthi maybe I thought of the whole thing. Yabona into leyana uyibona uthi yathi usuke lapha kuhle sibili eGwabalanda. Uzibone seliselo kuze selise planned.
Yes. Nge music.
Lingahlelanga like ukuthi okay usuke eGwabalanda uzahamba so. usuke town uthi Bellevue ugcina useplant. So I can't like fully explain in detail ukuthi okay mina vele initially plan this fine karese ngikhona ukuplan because I'm already there like music is
you at that level, you at that professional level now.
I'm still growing. Yes, I'm still growing.
Yes, but you at the professional level.
Angazi ukuthi ngawubeka kanjani, but on my end I can safely say I'm still growing. Every day is a learning curve for me. So I'm still growing with music. Njona yangikhetha. Lami ngase ngithola ukuthi you know what? I actually love
doing music.
This. Yabo. In as much as sometimes, like I said, with the industry sometimes is not that friendly. Ngiyahlala ngikhaya ngithi you know what? Vele ngisahlabela nxa vele you know what? I can't. Uthi athi hello Thandi. Ungapi? So okay, there's this other festival. Yabona already vele I'm blown away. Yabo ukuthi I'm going to perform at a festival because it's something that I love doing.
Yes.
In as much as being ngani angifile kahle ngayo at that moment. So yeah.
Ukhona nginomunye owayihlabela was doing music.
Funny part, nothing, no one that I know of.
Okay.
Funny part.
But now Thandi in person and Thandi the musician is totally two different people.
Yes, they are meant to be two different people because me now only as me.
Yes. But then when you sing, there's this aura, the energy that is created.
Thandi the person and Thandi the musician. Thandi the musician is a bit sophisticated. Vele imali lakhe yonke. Vele yonke intamba ngoline, vele uyasabisa like lami ngisabisa yaro.
Okay.
Isikhathi esinjalo yabo. But Thandi the person is jolly, uthanda ukuhleka, uthanda yabona into ezinjalo. Yabo. But Thandi lona the musician hayi vele reserved like vele ngeke ucanga ukuthi ngacrack ijoke kahle.
Yes. Thandi, when the way you sing, it's very much possible you've sukuwahlabela abantu bakhala listening to you.
Yeah. Many times.
And how does that make you feel?
Intention yami ngiyafuna ukubakhalisa honestly. Maybe kuya ngama emotions angaleso sikhathi. Mina I'm a soulful musician. Like nxa uya kunanzelele many of my songs I bring soul. I'm an ethno soul musician.
Tayini.
Ethno soul.
Okay.
So anything ele soul
Phakathi.
Vele iya attracted to me or mina attracted to you.
Okay.
Because I've got soul. So ekubhaleni kwami ingoma, especially let's say umbowe. Ungambowa. If you know Mish.
But I don't think Mish ugodi.
Abana godi umungambowa we. If yazi inhliziyo yami
ngaphuluzo ngisenhlizweni.
Inhliziyo yami ngareport ukuthi yabona lapho umboyile. Angiso umuntu othanda confrontation like that. Okunzisa ubuhlungu kuphuma ngengoma. So many a times when you listen to my songs, uyayithola emotion leyana ukuthi lokho akukho kodwa lokho. Many times many people batshona bembuza ukuthi kalapha kwakutheni. Sometimes maybe okunye ngokwami okunye wona bubuyila nti.
Yes.
I put myself in your shoes. Ngizibuza ukuthi okay nxa kukunje how will I feel about this? Hence senguthatha mina sengubeka ngeyami indlela musically.
Yes.
Yabo. Into etshona ikhalisa abantu maybe like I don't know.
Yes.
I think the emotion behind.
Wait. Didn't we call you Patricia?
Yes, my first name is Patricia.
That's right. So I want most of the times when they say Thandy Dhlana, I'll be confused.
Zwana.
Yes. Ngitshela ngizwe
ngilalela. Yes. Ngithanga usabe mina. Patricia is my government name. Sezwanani. It's my name. Libizo lami le passport, libizo lami lesithupha. Wena ulazi ngenxa ukuthi safunda sonke isikole.
Yes.
So sesiqedile ngalo. Can you proceed?
Patricia. That I went down memory lane. Okay, no. We used to call her Patricia.
Yeah, Patricia is my first name.
Ukhulele Gwabalanda.
Ukhulele Gwabalanda.
How's life at home when you're growing up?
Gwabalanda, it was so nice.
It was well.
Yeah, like I think ukhulele Gwabalanda was the best for me.
It's the creative hub.
Because Gwabalanda is home, and kulabo Sipho, kulabo Keshi, kulabo Frazi,
yes.
Kulabo like you can kulabo banengi. Oh yeah, like not Joe the late.
Yes, Joe the late. Yes.
We used to go studios ka Joe kumbula.
Yes.
You know, like Gwabalanda. Actually, Gwabalanda is blind.
uyophathisa nyathi kule Highlanders house.
Hey. It's just a lot.
It's just a lot. Kulabo matsika, kulabo Sambriwa, kulabo kids and nightlife.
Eish.
I can take you there in the
Aye, phela ngeke.
Thandy Dhlana.
Yes.
So you're born in a family of how many people?
And yimi, lo siswami, lo bhuti wami. But thina ifamily yethu i-extended kulaba abantwana abanye bakababa. So family enkulu. So I've got sisters, my very, very close sisters from my father's side as well.
Yes.
So bese kusiba la kumama lo baba.
And how was it growing up in a family, enjalo extended family? Did you have those issues that people always have among families?
Obviously, every family lama ups and downs ayo. Vela kula family perfect. Ungathi ngini le family perfect. Well,
I think you also said a word about
Samba wathi mafungiro akhe and something like that. So umuntu ebebona njalo but ekuphileni thoa kula muzi ongathunqa intuthu.
Okay.
And so everywhere very ngilebele ngapheki phela nxa ngini kungathunqa intuthu.
Yes.
Yabo into ezifana la. So like mina growing up in Kaya, I can't say everything was perfect like that because there's no perfect family. But you choose ukuthi libonane kahle ngaleyo ndlela into ezinjalo. So like yeah. Okay.
Your first recording session?
My first recording ever session was a studio sika Maseko the late. Now velela eGwabalanda. Very the only place SRC studio kuko Joe khona phana tuzana la ko JTM.
Yes.
Yabo. So I remember Uche was like, "Hey, nangabe lo Petros, yakhumbula Petros?"
Yes, yeah.
So safika lapha Petros had songs. So he used to sing nje. Nkha bekule fence. So Pet said, manka. Manka.
Patricia Thandi manka. Aphuma ikhomfi for sure.
So even lo mnaka Pet usidindi. Usaybo. She'll call me, manka.
The best ever. Someone was supposed to make it.
Okay, I will. Yeah, she was supposed to.
She still will.
Yeah, she still will because I've got faith that she will. And I'm judging music giving can.
Yes.
To some extent, no lang can. I'm so. Yachasa labo sipa majani betha vele uyenzani lo. Vele uhlabela so they would say whatever they want to say ngawe. Uthi nqongela inhliziyo lane lokugripa you say you know what? I feel odile. But I mean, I'm not like that. I'm not a quitter. Not anytime soon. I'm still around, guys. I'm going limbo life.
So, Sanjira Lapana, you're going with Petros?
So, he had songs. Sasuka Lapana will go to a studio schedule. I was helping Upetsi ngoma zakhe. So, on the way, sizaqala la chukunjani. Ngimzise something engebe ngicabangile. And they say, this is proper. Yabo. So samba go Joe, hayi. It was nice. Because it's not every day lapho hamba khona studio ka Joe. Fika ethi uJoe had this ear for music. Mbeke uthi ahamba ngikhaya uzabe yakutsha. But I mean for me it was different.
Wathi wow.
Because I think ngahlabela iphi ingoma. Ngiyamthanda oh mama ngiyamthanda oh. And they was like ingoma leqalisa njani. I was like ngingabona ngikhulelwa luvalo nje ngicine ngingasamtshelanga ukuba na mina ngiyamthanda. I was like okay, proceed. Ngihlabela vele kumele ngiqale ngitshitha like what I'm doing now. Ngingabona ngikhulelwa ikumbuka nje cine ngingasamtshelanga ukuba na mina ngiyamthanda oh mama. Ujo wathi this when I'm done when uyahlabela yabona I just wish uthole proper lokuzeni
guidance
from the dress enjedile ngathi
wathi wabamba saqina
ngoma ndiyo
and then I think with I think Usaibo
yeah
I think she got stuck in our studios.
Yes. Yeah, kind
of.
And
I think when advantage yakho
is
wabuya, and then we did music.
Yeah.
And then I think angwazi what happened to you.
Actually,
wasuka.
Angsuka. Mina, I got exposed to ngasuka laphana ngivele esikolo laphana kwabuya Sandra.
Intombi zomqangala.
I got exposed ngasuka laphana ngaya emakhosi. It was actually the first time empilweni yami yonke ukuya emakhosi.
Yes.
Chaye kule audition, so kuthiwa kumele kube le tour of some sort.
You went there.
Tour. So I went there, ngafika laphana, new people, new faces, new everyone like that. I think usayibonga ngihambela laphana.
Usayibo wayesetshona kithi ngapha studio seseqhamabhilidi.
Mina ngahamba ngale ngachayisa ingungu Ntombi Zomqangala, ngahlabela, nga-actor. Yes, from there saqala ukuthowa. I think yinto yangikhipha kuma studios.
Yes. Yakwazi ukuhamba njani? uThandi we stay like 400 meters away.
Yeah.
It's 425.
Hey, to be precise, eh?
To be precise. So Joe Maseko, why the studio, the late Joe Maseko, with the studio, central studio, very. But then then there's a girl who can sing. Thandi. Ungadaleli ngoma zeseqhamabhilidi the first album. Amankazana ahlabela kwapha ngoThandi. Yes. Yes. Those songs. But now I think advantage kaThandi. uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi angeke because lapha I think makwi recording session Kebe kudentuthe ezithunqayo kunento
labo cash yakhumbula.
Yes, labo cash.
Phakathi have ingoma eziblind yakwazi.
Phakathi 323 sesiqhansile saka recorda kuThoyiseni.
Cabanga uThoyiseni, where is he?
Thoyiseni is in South Africa producing for MTV stuff, I think now.
Wow.
Yes.
So what you see in as play?
So Thandi ngadlala ngizibuza how is Thandi surviving this environment of ours? But uNkulunkulu wakwenzela inhlanhla. When I was a producer, by then I was a producer. What writing music? Yes. But so I always, because Thandi mnandi was at the church, so I always felt pain with it. How is he? But she was like she's saying, she's a survivor. Which one in this room is full? I think in the room
not even half.
Yes. It's just a small room and the covenant is 17. Yes, but amazingly, you got Mbuzo Thandi ukuthi wasuka nini eGwabalanda. Because amazingly, from 2010, useqhamabhilidi song I never saw you again.
From actually thina siqala ukuthowa in 2011.
Yes, useqhamabhilidi uphuma 2010 December.
So thina sithe siqala ukuthowa hayi sathi kubo Germany, bo Russia, bo Canada. Because Russia I went there thrice.
Yes.
Ngahambe Canada ngahlala 6 months. Canada was my last tour with Intombi Zomqangala. Sahamba Germany, sahamba Austria, UK.
Yes. So Thandi, that brings me to a question.
Yes.
Were you mentally ready for Intombi Zomqangala when you were switching up from who Thandi is, and then all of a sudden you're
it was a highway kind of like thing, because mina auntie bengisijwayele church mafika Intombi Zomqangala ukuthi kumele ugqoke i-beadwork yabona those lokhu zenesicina lapha longama usigqolo kana.
Yes.
Kumele uhlabele uchaye ingungu. It was a new environment for me like that.
Yes.
But ngangena
wakujayela.
It was adventurous game because it got an environment that I'm not used to. And the people who were there, I loved the way nje ababe yenza ngayo everything so effortless. Like I remember lapha kumele wonke umuntu agide. Kumele wonke umuntu agide. Kumele umuntu ahlabela chaye ingungu kumele. Yes. So uSandra wathi wangithanda because of my voice. And ungananzela kuma poster Intombi Zomqangala ngangiposter girl, so because I was a new face kind of like to the whole thing. So even the voice yami compliment her yabona, even the look yami, I think it was complimenting everything about me. So inkinga ayisekugideni manje because I'm not a dancer phela. Hey ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kumele ufunde ibasic emba kumba ande ukuthi ngifunde ibasic
kwaba nzima.
Yeah, but ngaze ngayifunda lakathezu ngathi.
How is it working with uSandra? Isandla sakhe sinjani mawusebenza naye? Is she firm? What type of person is she?
uSandra ungananzelela umuntu angikhona she makes the impossible happen anyway. Yabo. So ulobu unesikhala lapha ngani uyasigripha khona feel as if she's kind of like not being fair. But I don't get the sense now because sengikhulile. Yabo. Ezizinto yabo ungaziboni mawukhula. Lethi suthola ukuthi no but umlo wangekho wrong like that.
Yes, so lokhu liqiniso ukuthi ngala mankazana nxa ngahamba ngale bafika bethengiswa emadodeni and stuff like that malisiya emazweni. Is it
funny
true?
part mina I'm the only girl. Mina ngifika uNtombi Omqangala.
For sure.
I was a virgin.
Okay.
Usandra would tell everyone ukuthi yabona lo a virgin.
Did she test you?
No. I was like that. I was a virgin. So she knew. She got
what?
to know. Ukuthi uthanda virgin. So she was.
Did she test you that you're a virgin?
No, she didn't. But she knew.
But she said, did she say, no, she's a virgin?
No. Liyafika maybe selihleli lapha nethi phela guys ayelingabamba undeka i-virgin. No. I think she was protecting me like that. Because no, mina experience.
So let's say even if you're not a virgin, that way you would just keep quiet and say, yeah, you're a virgin.
Lapha nabe ngimncane Sipho.
Yes, I know.
Oqala.
Tiny body.
Two. Yena she was already exposed to into engazaziyo. But trust me, sebengakhuluma konke. Umuntu kalungi ngakho konke. But on my end, she was that sister wangishota like that. uNtombi Omqangala, uSandra attended my wedding. She's so proud about that. She even told me, Thandi, I'm so proud of you. Uthi mina msho suchadile uzaba le muli yakhe into ezinjalo. Because ungazi from ngimncane emshadweni wami she was there into ezinjalo. Ekukhuleni kwami yabebona la kuma terraces from umuntu ovelela kuye.
Yes.
Yabo. So umuntu kakalungi ngakho konke fine wena uyale vision yakho ngakhuluma ngayo. Of which indlela yakho yakucabanga ngayo. Lami ngaba le ndlela yami engakhuluma ngayo.
Yes.
Yabo. But on that end ukuthi abantu bayathengiswa mina ngiyakuzwa but mina on my end.
Lina lintombi zomqangala it never got to happen.
For me.
Oh, for you.
For me hayi.
Okay.
Ngiyamgeza usisi wami. There's never a day lapha akabiza khona umuntu wathi nanga undeka as a woman ukuthi you can. She never did that. Till today.
Okay.
Yabo. Hayi for lapha ngiyamkhipha. For mina futhi akwabanye ngikwazi angeke ngikhulumela abanye. But for me hayi.
And then now we are tour everywhere 2011. Ususizwa lezi ingoma esasizirecord now hit songs. What goes on your mind?
Okay. So my last tour with Intombi Zomqangala ngangise eCanada. Canada, that's when I recorded my first EP with producer khona ngalo Nyasha Makambira. There's a song called Hamba lapho yakhona. Uhamba was recorded nguNyasha Makambira eToronto. Because mina ngasuka ku tour labo Titi bona bathi sefuna ukuya ngikhaya. Now like let me go to Toronto and work because I still had 4 months after the tour. So that's where I met Nyasha Makambira. I recorded. So I think initially as ngathi sikuntombi zomqangala lapha. I've always loved singing. Kakhulu more than anything else. Everything else, above everything. Yes, because I'm there.
It's part of, yes.
It's part of the production. But ngithanda ukuhlabela more. So, ukuya kuma festivals exposed me to stages like this other time I went to Russia White Nights Festival. There was this lady oyihlabela. I'm like, you know what? I made a vow to myself. I'll go to that stage ngihlabela as Thandy Dhlana. Yabo. I'll go to the stage ngihlabele ezami ingoma. Sengihamba ngedwa. It's actually nice. She was playing with the band. She's got this very Ina, the lady. She's so good. So like I think konokana ukufisa kwami ukuthi okay, let me make a name for myself.
Yes.
When I came back home, that's when I released the EP my first EP. EP yankona ile hamba lo Makanaka Jesu, the gospel sibuya phela back. I did Makanaka and Hamba, Nyasha Makambira at Toronto. And then when I came here, I face the music. Moonlight Lavana Science ongaziwayo longuthanda ekuseni. So I combined the 4 songs from ama-producers lawa.
And by then uyazenzela that you don't have a manager, blah blah blah.
Till today.
Yeah, but
Till today. Ngiyamdinga umanager, ngiyamswela yazi.
nasi step 3 bakumanager.
Hayi, Auntie Dhlana lingithatha serious. So let me tell you something. We've had this conversation lo beke. And isikhathi esiningi he'll be like, hayi wena uyahlupha.
Ukuhlupha Thandi wena uyahlupha. Ngoba mina kade singisukele wathi awungisabi ngingakwenzanga lutho.
Vele wena ngusabi. But ukuthi ubeke ebuye kimi ethi, hayi asingesisebenza la khathesi. Like I can't even explain it. The way
Akufaka ngayo.
It's like I'm at the level yani lami engisabisayo like that. You know.
Because
It doesn't matter. Ungagada indege nxa uyehlika la unyathela phansi akukhandi uke unyathela indege.
Yo.
Wena ngubani wakwambona ukuthi lo
But maybe I respect Bege for that.
Okay.
Ukuthi afika utshela ukuthi no Thandi I feel like because I think i-honest yona le qakathekile than ukuthi athatha ama-chance then ukuthi usebenza la sikhona unanzelele ukuthi this guy is not giving.
For now. Yes, for now.
Okay, it's okay. Hayi bazangithatha abantu beHarare.
So when in your musical journey, when do you feel like, okay, after working a certain project or after a certain appreciation or abalai, you felt like, okay, now I'm here?
Okay, i-album yami Unganekwane. Unganekwane, the appreciation. Mina kumbe ukuthi ngiyabe ngasabelieve ukuthi abantu laba serious like that because I've never been like a situation whereby everyone just appreciates you like that ukuthi you're doing a good job, uyazama. Yabona the economy is bad because Unganekwane came ngamrekoda ngo-2020 nge-COVID lapha. COVID kwambana umntanami wayemncane studio we released Inganekwane. People appreciated Inganekwane like that. Even till today there are people like Brucey. There are many people like who appreciate the album Inganekwane.
Yes.
So for Gwabalanda ukuthi kuthiwe umuntu bam appreciate like that.
Yes.
Kungani
Kuyenzwa kuyini?
Bazidlalela kumbe kunjani?
Kuyenzwa kuyini ukuthi inhliziyo zabo ziwome?
I think ibulawayo as a country of its own.
Ibulawayo as a country.
Ibulawayo as a, let me say ibulawayo as a country. Angazi sihlutshwa yini izihlobo zami. I don't know what it is. But from whatever kwenzakala okusenza maybe sibe njalo sonke. Let's heal man and move forward.
Yeah. When ungena vele musical industry, uthola vele ubulawayo woma inhliziyo.
Ubulawayo wayesezondela umajayivani into ezinjalo. Yabona, ubulawayo. Okay, to me ubulawayo is a baby. Umntwana omncane ugide yakhe.
Okay.
Akakhulumi. Akayenzi lutho. Uyakutshengisa ngama-sign lapha senilambile or lapha semfuna amanzi. But we have to communicate laye kunjalo as the mother. So kimi ubulawayo is that baby ofuna nurturing. Ungananzelela kuma streets Facebook, yes, stop crying. Yo, ibulawayo people are crying babies.
Bathethisana.
Like I think we are fragile like that. We can't take that away from Bulawayo people. Ukuthi balezinto abazithandayo balezinye ezingakhambisani labo. Kula kunye maybe kumele bakufunde ukuthi bakuthande.
Okay.
And of which into ngone it's not by force.
But now what makes me nakuya nempisi inhliziyo gayo kwabulawayo. Why is it hard for us to support our own?
Lam khona apho yazama mfuna ukutshela manga. But I think inkinga ukuthi wena uba usukube busy ngokwakho. Mina from where I'm standing, umelo muyizenzelo wakhe akufunayo.
Because we are kings and queens.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Abafuna ukuthobela abanye.
Because everyone is a king in their own capacity, everyone is a queen in their own capacity. So sonke siloku uzitshela of some sort involved. Yabo, mina I am a queen. I said it. I'm a queen. But mina ubuqueen bami bu different. because ngiyakhona ukuthobela omunye umuntu. Yabo? Yes, I can.
laba abanye kobulawayo abantu nje general kunzima.
Abanye asitshani labo ngoba kabakho lapha sikhulume ngani.
Yes.
But I think singathi si-royalty family sonke. I think we just have to help each other ukuthi sizwisisane. Because mina nxa ngabe ngakusho yakho na ubuyi kweyami. Yabo.
Okay.
And satshona sicomplaina ngento eyi-one. I think it's a movement okumele siqale
Supportana.
yes, like that. Labantu labo they will follow. Ibulayi lama-artists amangaki as a whole.
Wonke umuntu kobulawayo artist.
Yes. Asihambeni phela e-White City sonke ngobuningi bethu. Inkinga ukuthi mina yazi ngathola imali, you know what I want to do. Khona lokho uyiproblem usihluphayo. Iproblem ukuthi asilamala. So mina ngifuna ukuthatha imali leyana.
Njengabanye baphiwa izimoto njengoba ndisathi indaba banemali.
Yeah, it's okay, but for me on my end ngiyafuna ukuthi siye BF. Umuntu ozithi li-artist la kubulawayo BF. Abantu the same way abayenza ngayo nxa kule bhora. Iyagcwala lapha ni BF. Yabo, wona ube labantu bakha ube laba bangini. Sigcwala si-BF. We perform for our own sonke khona phana sizikholisise sodwa khona phana.
Kube mnandi kube njalo.
Ufuna imali nasi.
Mina ngibona ngathi abantu bakithi kunye abakufunayo ukuthi ingcesi bagadisa ibhasi. Engcesi bahambise emfuleni beke begeziswa bonke kawani befakwe khona phana ogodi ngene phakathi 10. Nxa bephuma lapha bethaka ngamampamu uze wena support abanye.
Yeah, that can work.
And then now in the entertainment industry. When since you are Sandra Ndebele, she created a space for you in a way.
Yeah.
When I'm right now in the entertainment industry, since what up to now, space is for my girls, ladies, women.
Space is tricky, I don't want to lie.
It's still tricky now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it has been. But in perseverance. You know what? No matter what, I'm doing this. Like I'll keep moving. Mina on my end, I can safely say I'm trying. Can't you see that I'm trying? I'm trying.
Yes.
I have to sacrifice. I've got kids. By school. Kumele ngikhiphe okuncane laphana ukuthi ngihambe studio and record. That's a sacrifice. I'm trying, bruh. I'm trying. Kumele ngiye ngaphi, kumele kuthini? Ngiyenze ngikwanisa yona. That's what I told myself.
Yes.
Engakwanisiyo, I will not be a wannabe. Into esibulalayo uzama ukuthi ube yini wona ungasi.
Yes. Ngicela ungiclarify lapha mawusithi it's tricky.
Tricky in the sense of ukuthi akukho lula.
What are particularly the things that they're going through?
For a lady, uzabudinga promoter, uzabudinga manager, into ezifana nalezo ukuthi la ukhule. Uzabudinga ukuthi ama links to ukuthi connect to certain spaces. And sometimes the people maybe ongabathola. You know how it is. Uzathola baba. There are a few people, genuine people who like genuinely.
Yes.
Engafuni anything. And abanye abaningi embaziyo. La nxa ngaze kuthiwa kufunwe anything, kwaphiwana anything. Still akuphuthi.
They even after after taking advantage of a lady, still what they promised they can't deliver.
Yeah, so because umuntu mina believe ukuthi umuntu
engalala lawo
ubona ngenye indlela. Yes.
Lingalala lonke.
Wona kubeke ngeke indlela ami kubeke ngayo.
Yes, aswafana.
Ubona ngenye indlela iangle. Irrespective alayo for wena iyayehla.
Okay.
Uyakubo into ezinjalo. So I think for amantombazane, but I think esikhona currently we're trying because kunzima ukuzipusha on your own. La ukuthiwa ingoma yakhe ikhalile kuma lokuzenini kuma stations. Ivideo yakhe iphumile laphana. It shows that you're trying.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are trying.
So how is it you being a public figure? Musician? Yes. You being a public figure, musician, and then being a wife of a politician.
Hey, now umuntu. Okay. mina ngizibeke njenge-public figure like that, so impilo yami iyahamba nje. Angesabi ukuthi maybe ngingena etown gqoba ampatapata kulo munye oza kuthini, because mina I'm what I am. Yabo. Yes, umkami is a politician and si happy ka. Because he knows I'm a musician. I know he's a politician. Silendlela yokusebenzisana that. So when I maybe the only person who fully knows that my husband is a politician.
Yes. Like looking at our people, especially Gwabalanda, they're politically sensitive.
Okay.
And then what do you think was being created? The impression.
Yes.
All right, okay. In terms of your case, at some point in time I would listen to people as the Madam Councillor. What went in your mind?
Nothing. I'm the wife to the councillor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So didn't you feel like in one way or the other your brand is being polarized
Not
to
really.
politics?
Not even. Because ngangingekho ku-music, I'm at home attending umsebenzi ka-council esigabeni kuye. Abantu bayabuya phela le ndlubo zabo or befuna uku-certify sabesenzani. I did all that at the same time. Ngapha ngiyi-musician. So like being umama wesigaba. And I loved it. Yeah. Because mina ngumuntu wabantu.
Yes.
Yes.
And like I say, you're a public figure. Yes, you are a public figure.
Yeah, ngumuntu wabantu like that. I can. Yeah, ngumuntu wabantu.
And how were you handling all that pressure? You're a musician, you're a mom, now Madam Councillor, who certifies into everything.
If you're a woman, you find yourself multitasking. I think you were raised ukuthi sikwanise. Uyabonga kubona ukuthi kunengi. Uyakwazi ukuthi kunengi, but you find a way of making it happen. Like that. So yeah.
So right now, what projects are you working on?
Okay, right now, hey, la projects amaningi ayenzakalayo. Hence I need a manager, yes.
Talk to the three guys.
Because kuyinto lokuzanhlangisa. Lingambona sengihambe street ngihlanga. Ukuthi the pressure is just too much. I've got my own personal projects. I've got DJs. Bafuna senza ama-collabos. They send me instrumentals, very nice instrumentals. I think we inbox like 10.
Okay,
From
instrumentals.
different, yeah. And then also, I'm excited about this one. There's Upudo Chango Butelezenti. He's a very good vocalist. Like, so Gwabalanda, unfortunately. No, Uhlala Don't Groove. Yeah, he was best in SA, but I love his sense of music. What Don't Groove? Butolezo, if you're watching Upumanga.
Yeah? Oh. There's another Butolezo who does music.
Seriously?
Yes, we're actually learning how to skate.
Seriously?
Yes. So, you're Butolezo also?
Thomas Aquinas.
Yes, there's Butolezo who does music. Yes. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I was shocked.
Okay.
Okay. So you're working with him?
Yeah, there's a single, Epumayo. Actually, it's meant to be an EP, but the first one will be Isgwenqa Zomlomo. I really enjoyed working with Isgwenqa Zomlomo.
Who came up with the title?
Obviously, him. He's not my lowest. Unungqondo. Ulama mabalake nje. I'm like, umuntu esekhuluma ngesigwenqa zomlomo. Isigwenqa ngizazi phela enyaweni. What is Zomlomo? Come on, it's a bit.
He's going. I'm not going to tell you. And then now, Thandy.
Yeah.
When you've been in the culture of like Njombo Sichona, you've been exporting our culture.
Yeah.
Yes. Maukangele, how rich is our culture for we exporter and the opportunities that are lying out there?
Yes, the culture is rich. Look, I think it's immeasurable. Like that. I mean, I've had opportunities of yeah. On second thought, I'm just realizing which I've been graced like that. I've been favored like that. Because it's not everyone who gets the opportunities that I have. Okala. I was privileged to be chosen to write Ingoma Los K, Songs of Los K.
Yes.
Yes. Songs of Los K, I wrote 3 songs. Queen Los K, let me tell you a story. lo asambeni, and went to Dubai to represent Zimbabwe
Yes.
at Dubai.
Exporting our culture.
Yes, like that. Like, yeah. So on second thoughts, on second thoughts, get blind.
Yes. So my question still stands. How
Yes.
rich is our culture?
It's very rich because kulabantu abanjengami so labo butho kulabantu abanjengoboNkwali of Brown oqeqe osigeli o MJ Sings sengicabanga sengikhuluma abangikhaya bodwa but andiwe embaziyo.
Yes.
Yes.
So where are we getting it all wrong in terms of not realizing this opportunity to export our culture?
Kushota imali.
Okay.
Imali.
Short demand.
Kushota imali guys.
Yes. And also I want to invite our underground gang. Feel free to join. Ask questions.
Imali ishota ngani? Imali can bring you all the collaborations that you want. Ungacabanga namhla ufuna ukucollaborate lo Capsa the Small. You need that link. Kushota imali lama links lana abambekayo. Because uzathola ukuthi uCapsa uyathola ukuthi engakucharge. Asonke ama collaborations omeli wasikupela imali.
Yes.
Yabo. So singathola that link. I think ezim okobulawa eZimbabwe as a war. For you to get a job, you need a link. For you to be accepted wherever, kumele kube le link of some sort. So Tina, we need the proper links to those people. Sasa vele sabe si
So
trend.
without our links lawa sindawo.
When ungaya ngaphi without a link? For himself. Ungaya ngaphi without a link?
So komile ben.
Yeah, komile like that. Kuthingakala like angazi ngathini but if you've got a link to someone and let's say currently you've got a link to the president, a direct link like that. Uyafika umtshele indubo zakho. Uhamba kuye uchivayo umtshela ukuthi so nxa uvelele komunye umuntu ulinkiwe. It's unlike ukubhala ku Facebook uthi ngicela imali engaka but nxa usulinkiwe kuba easy when you've got that link. Yabo uthi hayi mina hayi nachivayo amfuni imoto amfuni indlu. Ngezinjalo.
Emasababi.
Yabo ilink liyana iyakwenzela that connection.
Yes.
Iyakubringela about fruits. So Tina, I think we need links nje. We just need to be at the right place at the right time. Someone once said this, yes, ngazubuhlungu. What's into ebuhlungu about being a musician, just in general? Ukuthi you only need to sing one hook at a certain stage to the right person at the right time.
Kuphela.
So up and until you have to be creating more music for you ukuthi uzuqondane lo muntu lowana at the right time. Cabanga.
Yes.
So yeah. So currently we're still creating the music for us ukuthi sibe at the right time with the right person.
Yes.
Okumele leyo ngoma, which is the link that I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yabo. Because I've been to festivals. Uyathola umuntu ethi this yabona lento liyenza le. This is proper. I want you guys from my other festival endaweni nje. You're at the right time. Ngaleso
At the right
sikhathi.
place.
Eslo muntu lwana ofuna into that you can offer.
Yes.
Yabo. So like opportunities. Sidinga opportunities as musicians kuphela and those links kuphela.
Yiwe swafunayo la.
Kuphela.
Yes.
Ungabona ukuthi sithole link le esifunayo to whoever because currently Granta ebulaya musician collab with Black Coffee. Ngubani ongayala? Akula muntu ongayala because Black Coffee is that big. Or even our own sibili or Japraiser. Yabona into ezinjalo. Mina kumbe ukuthi music yami different from bona. So it's a bit but yeah.
What does it take to collaborate with Thandy Dhlana?
Siyakhulumisana. I mean, I'm a very simple and free person. Siyakhulumisana nxa sizwanana. We collaborate because most of the people abacela ama collabos ngiyathi let's work. Abanye they offer me money. See imali uyithethe nga. No, like uyabuthola ukuthi umuntu lesifiso ngenxa ukuthi uThandi Dhlana yena umbona umbeka kwenye yabona. Mina many people like indlela abamphakamisa ngayo angijwayele. Because I feel like lami ngisangumntwana who needs to grow labanye. So like if umuntu engabuya asking for a collabo, ngiyaware fine. Ukuthi okay, okunye ke bongayenzi because maybe ke bongakhambelana. But for umuntu who is equally talented, ofuna ukuthi lami ngimncedise where I can. Usually ngiyambuza ukuthi imali uzayithatha ngaphi because ngacanga ukucharge kathesi. Futhi awusuku ungafford.
Okay.
Yakubo.
And how was the experience working with Gwabalanda on any production?
Gwabalanda, I will not lie. I will not lie. To some extent, yes. Konke kulokulunga, lokungalunga of some sort involved. Yena, he's a great guy. I appreciate his craft. But kulesikhala aya.
What's hotel? Why is it that?
I asonanang in studio.
Oh. Okay, what happened?
It was just a minor glitch nje. I think
Can you give me details? They inform me for sure. We need the detail. What happened? We are getting studio. If you can go me press you, or I press one. What happened?
I know. I think when I was going to the studio, like ama time slots ukuthi like ungabe ngesikhathi singaka. I think they were behind time. So ngisinqamfika maybe uzathola maybe kulokunye maybe a technical glitch. Sigcine singasayenzanga ngapha busifake makeup libuyele futhi following day uthole maybe kulabanye usayenza lawo you need to do some other things so ubuyela uthole yabona then ubuyela futhi usuthola so kulabanye kona kuthobi ngesikhathi esingaka ngapha I'm using my fuel come on vele enkolomani so into ezinjalo sometimes ba frustrating ukuthi okay fine I'm doing this for a fellow artist.
Yes.
We're helping each other, you know this, and then he also feel as if no man, it's just I no man. Yeah, bo. So kwaba lo glitch lokana hayi. Lama mphatha kangakahle.
But you sorted it out.
Yeah, we sorted it out. So amfonela sibu bhutwami wena thanda uthi wathi lami ngathi wena uthi. Yeah. Yeah, when I brother sister conflict, yeah. Yeah, but we had our moments. Mina ngamtshela ayifuna ukukuza la wanjele mfunga ukukuza.
Okay.
Yabo, but I'm happy ukuthi sesa resolve fine into yakhona siyaphela.
Of the best collabos that you did that you enjoyed.
Okay, the best collabo. Yo. Tube ukuthi abantu bonke senga collaborate labo. Ngiyabathanda sile connection to some extent.
It's particularly one Lana we like okay I really because the moment interviews if there was like they were like which interview do you want to go to hlalo umuntu interview Lima Khani.
Okay. Okay, man, I just wanted to see which one was the best. You couldn't have got. Tubakathe ukuthi ingqondo yami igcwele ubutho and the new song.
Oh. So Chuti you take the cup.
Currently. You caught me off guard. Currently, yeah, I enjoyed working with Ubutho. Like sisile connection musically. So like ukuthi singahlala lobutho in the same room. There's this one that we did sisidla at this other restaurant. It's a very nice song. I got pomla.
Yes.
So like we started singing. Ubutho just tapped in. Like it was so
It was so wow.
Yeah, it was so wow. There's awesome shares. I enjoyed working
my
with
best.
Shares.
Did he come to studio high? What be at your studio?
Not even.
For real?
Not even.
As sober as they come.
Sorry, kote studio skaneshi. Wangifonela ubhuti wami.
Umshes.
Yes, he called me. Actually, uqala sachayisana
Lichayisana nga.
PS ngale komambazo ezetative. So he was trying to tell me ukuthi okay fine ingoma yakhona ihamba so. Cabanga ngihlabela kwenguwe guys. Ngahlangaza ngakhala but I got the sense of what
That's some shares for you.
I think he uzanzondela for this because wasenzisa ingoma ngahlela. But ngayithola sense ngathi okay.
Let's wait.
I think okufuna ukuthi khangisa dlozila.
Okay.
Dlozila. Khangisa velinqangi.
And then
Uvula mathamsanqa dlozila.
Thandi?
Yes.
Then you're a business lady also.
Yes. Phela nto kumele kube something efit on the talent.
Yes. What business do you do and how did you get into
Mina ngiyathengisa abantu la unje ukuthengisa
No, you can't tell me, Judas. Shoot us.
So yeah. Siphila ku-era whereby informal sector takes the cup. A town, everyone is selling something for survival. So hence, kumele sithengise esikuthengisa whatever engikutholayo. Lesitende alendazi. Kodwa mwana zeyitshona igcwele izinto. Thengisa whatever engikutholayo okuthengisekayo I buy and sell. Thola kuyi profit.
But mostly your product what you eating, so what you mom dating product leyo uyayithola kimi, or it's always a variety of products.
Hey mina yes sengize ngasakwazi ukuthi ngithengisa.
Okay.
Njengathi I think labantu abami sembathengisa.
You mean no.
Not really. Like bengithengisa ibedding. Ngithengisa lamajini, lamathopu, lamamet endlini. I said a lot of stuff. Ngathengisa labo mapoloni. Vele yazi. Vele angisazazi. Mana nathi amanzi.
All right, underground gang, do you have any questions?
Yes, I'm also part of a group. Matojeni, triple Matojeni Melomaniacs. It's got me, Kwali, Kuku, Mtabisi, Sture, Lo Blexens Mo. He's based in Austria. Yeah, I'm loving I think I always work. Yeah, that is also a collaboration that I loved. Actually, collaboration ilam Kwali. I think it's just the best.
Okay.
Kwali were together for 2 songs of Lost Gay. So like I think Mina Kwali.
Wow.
Guys, I said it.
And then we're winning award.
Yes, best alternative music. I think alternative. Ask them. Oh, why was we to go and do time to Yazan?
Yes.
Yeah.
How was the feeling? Thandy, and the winner is Thandy Dhlana.
I was there.
Oh.
Yes, I was there, and I think I'm a performer for it.
Okay. Congratulations on that.
Yeah. So like. It was a feeling that was so nice. We took a speechless on the stage. Guys, as I was saying, thank you. We are quite but I thank God to see. I think I mentioned the relevant people. So yeah, it is a good feeling to win an award. It's appreciate for the work that you have put. Yeah, it was a nice feeling.
It was wow. Thandy, thanks so much for coming to the From Film for Show. Thank you, Siyabonga. We appreciate you and we love your music and we will continue to support you as Step 3 events. Yeah. And please, don't take pants. When you talk about management, you definitely need a manager.
I spoke to them, and then I'll say it's Pam Gwabave and Nathan Savin. You're not the only people ababona talent engilana. Mana ngikhulume ukukhayela straight. The reason why ngibe mbuya kuwe ngithi budwami let's work is because ngifisa sikhule sonke. Angikho ngcono, but I believe ukuthi when what you can put on the table and what I can put on the table can create wonders. So ukuthi wena uthi mina wathi ngwathi so drama leyo hamba kajana vele. Kumele kusetshenzwe because kumele ilizwe libekwazi lawe futhi. La nxa ufuna ukuzisabisa ngusabi. But the whole world has to know ukuthi kulabantu abanjengathi we can offer izinto ezinhle kakhulu like that. So yeah, my socials, kindly follow me on Facebook. I'm Thandy Dhlana. My name is Thandy Dhlana. Thandy Dhlana. Ungasearch uthando lo I awumtholo lo. Yabo. So Thandy Dhlana Facebook. Thandy_Dhlana Instagram, @real Thandy Twitter, Thandy Dhlana futhi kubo YouTube, kubo TikTok into ezifana nalezo. So yeah.